Suppression files, why are they important to the data hygiene process? Arguably, I'd say suppression files are one of the most important parts of the whole process. Some of the suppression files in the UK, it's actually legal requirement to screen any calling files that you may be running through, so prospects or customers that you want to call, they need to be screened against the TPS, the Telephone Preference Scheme. If you're mailing, then you need to be running your files against the Mailing Preference Scheme. Both the TPS and the MPS files are legal requirements that you need to screen your records against. So if you're calling customers or calling prospects, you must, by law, be screening those files against those data sets. There are other suppression files as well, which are really best practice. A perfect example of that are the various mover files. So when an individual or indeed a business moves address, that information can be recorded on the database, and we then hold that information. So we can take a customer's database, identify that the address you have on the record is actually their old address, and we can then provide the new address, assuming the individual has consented to that, obviously under GDPR. An even worse example of not screening against your files would be if you're sending communications to someone who's unfortunately deceased, or even worse, sending it to a deceased person's widow or widower. So matching your files against those suppression files, removing the records who are no longer there, apart from the obvious impact on to you as an organisation of cost, it's just best practice, and it really keeps your brand looking on top of things and knowing where you're at. So at Kudos, our suppression file processing is a big part of what we do. We hold a data set or various data sets which are nationally available, which now total just over 500 million records. They are people who have died, who have moved address, who have basically not consented to be contacted and don't want to be included. All of those records, all 500 million of them, some of them will probably be in your database. And so the requirement to match your database to those suppression files, remove the individuals or companies who are no longer there, is absolutely a crucial part of maintaining your brand and really giving your customers a good experience.